My name's Rob Fleishauer. I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations and Engineering at Psionic. Our company builds navigation Doppler LiDARs. We license the technology from NASA Langley Research Center, and we're building them commercially. We get great help with the projects. We've given a couple of very tough projects. We're trying to build a scanning system for our rendezvous proximity op sensor, and both of the student groups we've been involved with have done great work, really insightful things, just really great students, and have helped us actually grow our company and grow our capability. You get different perspectives, different insights in how things do and do not work, things that we haven't thought of, they come up with. Our senior engineers, as they are interacting with them, they're mentoring, they're learning things and seeing the different perspectives, and we just get a better product because of their involvement. We've just had really great luck. We've hired at least 3 or 4 fresh outs, and we have some of our senior staff also are Virginia Tech grads, and they're all very bright, very knowledgeable, and great engineers. So we've done very well with our Virginia Tech connection.